biggest problem and challenge you face at the airport?
Yeah, I'm short on time and I really need to get the gate information very quick.
I need to find out where all the shops are at the airport. And most important of all, I need to find healthy Chinese food that's within my budget. Don't you want to know where all the vegetarian food is too?
Of course. Yeah, so introducing to you CORD application connecting of communication of reliable data. So CORD helps people connect to airport data consistently, reliably, easily, and conveniently. So CORD is voice enabled and it transcends the language barrier.
Can you get me the American airline information very quick?
Okay. American Airlines search.
American Airlines is located in Terminal 2, boarding area D6, 50 to 59. The American Airlines Admirals Club is located in boarding area D immediately left after clearing the security checkpoint. The club is open daily from 5:30 a.m. to 11:45 p.m.
So you can.
Thank you so much.
So you can not only give voice search. You can always type it here, and you can always see the map and the exact location. For people coming from different countries, they always want to know the baggage information very first thing, and they might not necessarily know English. So I'll show you an example. Air India. Okay. Air India. Sorry folks, this is work in progress. Air India baggage Hindi.
सैन फ्रांसिस्को में आपका स्वागत है। वर्तमान स्थानीय समय शाम के 5:45 बजे है। सामान इकट्ठा करने के लिए दाईं ओर चले और एस्केलेटर से नीचे उतरने के बाद सामान क्रॉस आउट से अपना सामान इकट्ठा करें। धन्यवाद।
Okay, so that is that, and then let's go to relax. Suppose you're looking for books in Terminal 3. This is how we actually get you the information. We show you the book place, the name, description, and also the timings. Similarly,
Oh, I'm so hungry. I need food right now.
okay, so for May, we are going to get her Chinese food in her budget and the vegetarian option as she wanted, and it's here. And also, we also want to show you one more thing. We have access to real-time data. And this is something I don't want to miss, that's why I'm just going to quickly go to this. So suppose you wanted to see, before you actually go to the shop, you want to see if it's crowded or not, you can actually go and see real-time video footage from there and decide whether you actually want to go and stand in the line and get food.
We have few more time.
How do you get the real-time video?
Okay, yeah, so this is simulation because we didn't get an interface to the database. So what we did, we went on YouTube and we got like a huge video on San Francisco airport everywhere. So we knew we had like a soup company and we saw a video. We did URL YouTube to MP4. We put it on Movie Maker and cut the piece and made MP4. And connected to our app. So when the app goes real, if it goes real, then it can be connected to the real cameras of the airport in that location. But in this case, it's simulation.
So
because
actually,
we just got the JSON
the
data.
data that we had was just the SFO Airlines API. So we used that. The rest of it, we showed how we can add more value. So the other data that we showed, the initial one, was all from the API.
Yeah, and the other thing that we have is in the books and stuff, we can have like different languages and you can translate the page to any language. It's like to Arabic or to Spanish, Italian, French.
I
really great idea. I love that. Did you check if San Francisco maybe already has something like that, San Francisco
Yeah,
Airport?
we did. We actually compared. So the search was more refined in our case. Like they did not have that much of search criteria, just one or two things, just the terminal. And so we went with the dollar option. You know, if you have a budget, we went with the cuisines. So yeah, so we gave much more, specific search criteria. There's no voice-enabled search, so that was our key thing. We wanted to also translate. So those were the differentiators.
And do you think that you could make it for several airports, like for basically
Yeah,
like an app
definitely.
that you can
Yeah.
carry around and just use wherever you are?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.